slicing, dicing, killing enemies, and they're just having a happy day. Hey, please. Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the internet. Welcome back to the Out. Yeah, welcome back to the Out. And today we are playing some more Out. We're playing some more Out, and we're here in this nightmare forest. Again, this one I want to say, ow. Something I really appreciate is that for some reason, I don't know how Nintendo did it, but mind you, this is a GBA game, and these backgrounds look good for a GBA. If you don't know what a GBA, it's a Game Boy Advance. That's the nickname, but still, ow. God. Oh god. Oh god. There's so many birds! So many of them. Anyways, this forest. No, fuck you, birds. God. Jesus. Oh god, the fucking monster! Ah! Oh god! Oh god, everything's so crazy! The birds! The fucking birds! Oh my god! Get in the door, Kirby! Jesus Christ. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, the backgrounds in this game look good for, what's it called? Don't hit that. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry I had to deal with something and all that stuff, but I'm back. Oh god, what'll do? I mean, D. What am I gonna do? Jump. Uh-huh. Wait a minute. He just walked off screen. Wait a minute. What is this? Oh god. Oh god, I hope he's okay. He just walked off screen dead. Dead. Out. Dead. Woohoo! Woo! Ha, bitch! Oh. Oops. I guess I should have blown up that thing. Oopsie daisy. Oh, I'm fighting a boss? Elephant! Oh god. Oh, damn it. I should have got a power up. Now I gotta fight this thing. You know, funny. In the Kirby anime again, this thing is Kirby's friend again, for some reason. Bitch! Remember who I am. Should I step on my ass, nigga? Whoa! Hold the fuck up, bitch. In your face. Apples in your face, bitch. Apples in your face, bitch. Apples and apples and apples. Oh! It's like, ow! Fuck! Okay, let's go in here. Now I got a blue headband. And what it does is, what? Fuck you! It just grabs niggas. He's like, no, please! His face, bro. When you kill an enemy in this game, their face is so fucking funny. Or like when you hold them or some shit, like it's so funny. Look how Water Dude's gonna look. Please, I have a family. I don't care, nigga. Whoa! And I get to dance. Okay, I love that twirl. I can't stop. Candy. I'm in fucking invincible. I cannot die. No, I cannot die. That's a problem because I need to. I don't know. Living immortally is nothing I actually want to do because then life has no meaning. You know. Oh, this got too philosophical or whatever the fuck it's called. Oh, god damn it, Meta Knight. Okay, I'll kill your friends. Here, what? Bitch. Who wants it next, bitch? Who wants out? No! I can't lose this. It's too good. Oh, no. God. Okay, there we go. We're still okay. Bitch! There we go. There's the sugar. Huh! Oh, whoa! That fucking beetle thing came out of whatever the fuck it's called. Came out of nowhere. Oh! Love this power. Ha! It's just the thought of doing this in real life to a friend. Someone comes up to you, hey, Bill. Oh! Wait, what are you doing? No! Oh, I can't go down there. Button mash, button mash, button mash. I know you can hear it. I'm so sorry. That is just... Ooh. Well, there goes the most fun power ever. Thanks, Nintendo. I guess it's my fault. Boom! So this is actually one to talk about. I might have to talk about it next episode, actually, because we're getting close to the end of this. And you know how this level is going to go. It's going to be like 2 rooms and then end of it. So I guess I'll talk about it next time. But it's about Sonic. Just letting you all know. But I'll explain what's going on and what's going on with that and shit. And yeah. Dude, this frog is dumb. He's just stuck there. He couldn't hurt me, and I couldn't hurt him. That's how friends work, right? Or some shit, I don't know. Sword! Slice and dice! Fucking click clock. Fuck. Just because you have a new freaking color doesn't make you a different person, you bitch. And you're dead. Oh, God, he's still alive. He's still alive! Fuck! His face when he's like, oh, I'm about to die, aren't I? Ha! Ha! Suck it! Fuck! No, I pushed... You heard me button mashing when I was about to die. What the fuck? Oh, whatever. Oh shit, these niggas are going straight for the kill. What the fuck? They like, he immediately turned around. Fine, I'll use the power. Yeah, light! It literally just lit up the room. Well, thank you for your help. Ow. Wee. No. If you guys don't know, when I recorded actually this level before, that rock guy, I let him live. I had 1 heart, and I let him live. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let you live, because you're a cool dude. He immediately stomped me and he like stomped my ass out and killed me. Like, he didn't hold back, bro. You just can't trust niggas nowadays, bro. Bruh. What the fuck? I can't get 1 for the life of me. Shit. Okay, let's go kill the boss. Oh no. Cut! Quit! No, I did not get a game over on a Kirby game. Are you fucking insane? Who could ever do something that stupid? I mean, Kirby games aren't even that hard, you know? You have to be very ass at games to even to do that, you know? You know? You know? Fuck. I really need to stop being a bitch. Okay, we're gonna start it right here, right now. Let's go. Jump. 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 Super Kirby's here to save the day. No need to fear, because I am here. God damn, I love My Hero Academia so much. Especially the main theme, you know, that goes da 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 da. I hope I don't get demonetized for that. Kracko! Yep. This is a boss that appears in every single Kirby game. Every single Kirby game. Even more than Wispy Wood, surprisingly. Yeah. If you don't remember him, he was in that, oh. Yay! Fuck yeah! And we dance. We killed the sun and God, now we killed the cloud. Guys, we'll be going to Yogurt Yard. Wait a minute. I'm ending again as a superhero. As my cape flows in the wind. My next destiny. Who knows what happens? Yes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.